Today we're walking through how to assemble our Round Top Chiara Arch backdrop stand, perfect for weddings, parties, and styled photo ops. This lightweight yet sturdy frame is one of our most popular event staples. Start by laying out all your parts. Each piece is labeled and designed to easily slide into place. Begin assembling the base. Make sure both feet are secure and even before moving on. Next, connect the vertical poles to each side of the base. Slide them in and twist the screws to tighten. These will support the full structure, so don't skip this step. Now it's time for the top arch. Line up each curved piece and connect them until you've completed the round top frame. Once everything's in place, go back and retighten all of the screws so everything is snug and level. From here, it's ready to decorate. Add draping, florals, signage, or balloons to match your theme. This stand works beautifully for minimalist designs or full floral installs. Shop this arch and all of our backdrops and accessories in the links below, and don't forget to subscribe for more event setup how-tos.